Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the launcher style on this device. First, let's press the crown button to wake up the screen on our watch. And now I'm gonna show you what I mean by launcher style. Simply, let's wake up the screen and press the crown button again to open the launcher. And here we have a list of apps basically. As you can see now it's in the grid, but we can change it. To do it, let's open the settings. You can either open the launcher and tap on the settings icon, or open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen and then tapping on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and find the option called watch face and launcher. Tap on it. Here, scroll down, and at the bottom we have launcher option. Let's tap on it, and here we have two options. We have grid and list. The grid option is the first one, the one I showed you before, and the list one is basically list instead of grid. So if you select list and open the launcher, you will have the apps in the list, and if you select a grid, you will have them in the grid layout, like this. And that's how you change the launcher style on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.